If you're interested in doing a grommet, which I used in this bib to run a binky holder through it, great little way to keep the binky from hitting the floor, you want to mark that one as well, where you want it, roughly, with your pen. Mark a circle on the inside. Take a pair of fine-tipped scissors, as skinny as you can get. And yes, we're going to cut our fabric. It's always the scariest part. And we're going to cut out the circle. And I'm concentrating so I don't cut my finger. Place your grommet through the circle. Doesn't look like I cut it big enough. Snip that there. See how that fits over? Then place the other part. This has a different tool to use. You can even do that way. There's two different ones in here I have. And then beat that together, and there you go. You have a grommet. Those are kind of fun to put in. You get out your anger or frustration.